Hey everyone, welcome back. Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever made a decision that felt right, only to realize later it was a terrible idea? Yeah, me too. And here's the thing, we're not alone. Because today we're talking about something that affects all of us. Now, before you panic, I'm not saying people are dumb, but most of us go through life on autopilot. We react instead of reflect. We scroll instead of think, and wonder why nothing changes. So, if you're ready to break free from that cycle and start thinking clearly again, keep watching. Let's get real. Our brains are lazy. Not in a bad way, just efficient. Evolution told them, conserve energy. So they take shortcuts called cognitive ease. We say, I'm fine when we're not. We hit reply without reading the message. We doom scroll through social media without even realizing it. And yes, this helps with small stuff, like brushing your teeth or driving to work. But when we apply that same autopilot to big decisions, relationships, careers, goals, things go sideways fast. Another issue? Distractions. Our phones buzz every minute. Algorithms fight for our attention. We live in a world that rewards speed over depth. And when your brain is overwhelmed, there's no room left for real thinking. Real thinking isn't complicated, but it does require intention. It means slowing down, asking better questions, and being honest with yourself. Three types of thinking that make a huge difference. 1. Reflective thinking, looking back to learn. 2. Critical thinking, questioning what you see and hear. 3. Creative thinking, imagining new possibilities. And here's the good news. These aren't just for philosophers or geniuses. Anyone can practice them. You just have to build the habit. All right, time for the good stuff, how to actually do it. Step 1. Create space for thought schedule. 5 to 10 minutes a day for quiet reflection. No phone, no distractions, just ask. What went well? What could I improve? What am I grateful for? This simple shift puts you back in control. Step 2. Ask better questions instead of, why did this happen? Try asking, what can I learn from it? Instead of, should I do this? Try, what would my future self choose? The quality of your thinking starts with the quality of your questions. Step 3. Challenge your assumptions. We all jump to conclusions sometimes. When that happens, pause and ask, was I missing info? Did I let emotions cloud my judgment? Could there be another explanation? That's how you grow. Okay, so how do you stay consistent? Start small. Try one thing. Maybe a 5-minute morning journal or a voice memo during your commute. Pair thinking with something you already enjoy. I walk my dog and use that time to mentally review my week. Consistency beats perfection. Look, thinking better isn't about becoming superhuman. It's about becoming conscious, aware, present. Once you start thinking clearly, everything improves. Your decisions, your relationships, your confidence. And honestly, the world needs more thinkers. More people who pause before reacting, who question before believing, who lead with curiosity instead of fear. So here's your challenge. Starting tomorrow, pick one action step from this video and commit to it for 7 days. Then come back here and tell me in the comments how it goes. And if you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. New videos drop every week, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Until next time, keep thinking, keep growing, and remember, your mind is the most powerful tool you own. Use it wisely. Peace out, and keep showing up as the thinker you truly are.